Today I'm going to make a big halloumi breakfast fry-up, and these are the ingredients that I'm using. I've got some halloumi. You can use any frying cheese that you can get a hold of. This was quite easy to get hold of here in Ireland. Just have a look around a Greek or a Cypriot cheese that you can fry up. And you've got some eggs, spinach, and I've got all these different coloured fun tomatoes, but use any tomatoes or really any vegetables you want on the side. This is just what I feel like to kind of cut through the richness of the halloumi, and yeah, let's put it all together. Okay, so I've chopped the halloumi into little wedges, cut it however you like, and now I'm melting some butter in a frying pan and I'm going to cook and brown my halloumi. Butter is nice and melted, a bit bubbly. We've added in the halloumi. My halloumi came with a little bit of herbs as well. You can add any herbs, spices, anything you like. I'm going to cook this till it's browned on all sides and then cook up my veg. You can see I've browned the halloumi on both sides. It's crispy and salty and so good. So I'm going to move that out and pop some veggies in. And I've halved just a handful of tomatoes. They're slightly higher carb than other veggies, but you can definitely still enjoy them on keto. So just a few tomatoes halved, little ones, and a few handfuls of spinach that we're going to cook now. And it really doesn't take long, and the veggies are pretty much cooked. And now I'm just frying up some eggs. That looks a bit like a fish, but yep, just going to fry up a couple of eggs and breakfast will be made. And breakfast is made and hot, so I'm going to go have breakfast, but have a look at that. Fried eggs, halloumi, spinach, tomatoes, a beautiful big veggie breakfast fry-up. It's low carb, keto friendly, and full of that yum halloumi. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this breakfast a go, what variations you make. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!